Self-driving cars, invented by various companies, including Waymo, formerly a Google project. Virtual reality headsets. Ivan Sutherland and his student, Bob Spruill, developed the first VR headset in the 1960s. Solar-powered devices. Russell Ohl is credited with inventing the solar cell, while many researchers have contributed to its development. Smartphones. The concept of a smartphone can be attributed to several individuals, but Martin Cooper made the first mobile phone call in 1973. 3D printing. Chuck Hull is known for inventing stereolithography, which laid the foundation for 3D printing technology. Drones. Abraham Karam, an aerospace engineer, is often referred to as the father of the drone for his work on UAVs. Wireless charging. Nikola Tesla proposed wireless power transmission in the late 19th century, and modern wireless charging technology is built on his ideas. Artificial intelligence assistance. The development of AI assistance involves contributions from various companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google. Wearable fitness tech. Fitbit, founded by James Park and Eric Friedman, played a significant role in popularizing wearable fitness devices. Biodegradable plastics. Leo Beckland is known for inventing Bakelite, often considered the first synthetic plastic. Recent developments involve various scientists. Smart home devices. Various companies like Nest, founded by Tony Fadell, and Philips have contributed to the development of smart home devices. Hoverboards. Shane Chen developed the first self-balancing electric scooter, often referred to as a hoverboard. Medical implants. Many medical implants have been developed by different scientists and researchers, contributing to various fields of medicine. Bionic Limbs. Various researchers and companies, such as Open Bionics, have contributed to the development of bionic limbs. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles have a long history, but recent advancements are attributed to companies like Tesla, founded by Elon Musk. Smart glasses. Google Glass, developed by the Google X Research Division, played a prominent role in introducing smart glasses. Biometric security. Various scientists and engineers have contributed to the development of biometric technologies over time. Invisible braces. Zia Chishti and Kelsey Veerth founded Align Technology, which introduced Invisalign clear aligners. Portable water filters. Various companies like Life Straw, founded by Torben Vesterkov Fransen, have developed portable water filtration devices. Language translation apps. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and others have developed language translation apps using AI and machine learning technologies. These inventors and innovators have made significant contributions to the technologies that shape our modern world.